Heaven preserve me, you look like something that's died.
I am rubber, you are glue.
I'll hound you night and day.
I'm shaking, I'm shaking.
You're as repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
I am rubber, you are glue. You win!
Give me your treasure.
Take it. It was cluttering up the hold anyway.
We're loaded with booty. I'll take the Mr. Massacre brand cannon.
One Mr. Massacre coming right up. Mom!
Can be hazardous to your life.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood, a mighty pirate.
Don't make me laugh.
I'll hound you night and day.
Then be a good dog. Sit. Stay. I'll leave you devastated, mutilated, and perforated.
Then perhaps you should switch to decaffeinated.
Throughout the Caribbean, my great deeds are celebrated.
Too bad they're all fabricated. I can't rest till you've been exterminated.
Then perhaps you should switch to decaffeinated. Give me your treasure.
Well, if I had any, you'd be the first one to get it.
Arr! So you're a pirate, says ye? You'll have to prove it, says I.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood, a mighty pirate.
Don't make me laugh.
I'll leave you devastated, mutilated, and perforated.
I'm shaking! I'm shaking!
Heaven preserve me, you look like something that's died.
The only way you'll be preserved is in formaldehyde. You can't match my witty repartee.
I would have avoided the volcano had I built Pompeii.
You're as repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
When I'm done with you, you'll be a boneless fillet.
I fancy you have treasure. Hand it over.
I haven't got any treasure. Why do you think I was attacking you?
Get off me deck, you say slow.
I'm Guybrush Threepwood, a mighty pirate.
Don't make me laugh.
You're as repulsive as a monkey in a negligee.
Oh, yeah?
I'll leave you devastated, mutilated, and perforated.
Your odor alone makes me aggravated, agitated, and infuriated. Heaven preserve me! You look like something that's died.
The only way you'll be preserved is in formaldehyde. Killing you would be justifiable homicide.
Oh, yeah? You win!
Give me your treasure.
The treasure is yours.
We're loaded with booty.
Back again, mister?
I'd like to buy some cannons for my pirate ship. I'll take the Destructomatic T-47.
Whoa, mister. You've entered a select group of pirates. Mob!
It's the Destructomatic T-47 armor-piercing carnage delivery system with auto-loading and fax modem.
Well, well, well. Look who is washed up on my deck.
You'll never get away with this, Renee.
Your lips look like they belong on the catch of the day.
Oh, that is so cliché.
Nothing on this earth can save your sorry hide.
Then killing you must be justifiable fungicide.
Never before have I faced someone so sissified.
Then killing you must be justifiable fungicide.
My attacks have left entire islands depopulated.
With your breath, I'm sure they all suffocated.
I give you a choice. You can be gutted or decapitated.
Your odor alone makes me aggravated, agitated, and infuriated.
Your looks would make pigs nauseated.
With your breath, I'm sure they all suffocated.
Now get off my boat before I maroon you on the island of clumsy dental assistance. Well, well, well. Look who is washed up on my deck.
You'll never get away with this, Renee.
Nothing can stop me from blowing you away.
When I'm done with you, you'll be a boneless fillet.
I can't tell which of my traits has you the most intimidated.
Your odor alone makes me aggravated, agitated, and infuriated.
My skills with a sword are highly venerated.
Too bad they're all fabricated.
You'll find I'm dogged and relentless to my prey.
Then be a good dog. Sit, stay.
Your looks would make pigs nauseated.